Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dry Down, the lifestyle channel where we as enthusiasts love to enhance. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring a pair of sunglasses. You know I am a very avid sunglass collector, glasses, eyewear. I'm very enthusiastic about eyewear, something I've had my eye on, no pun intended, my entire life. And today, we're exploring a pair of sunglasses that basically embody the spirit of adventure, resilience, and luxury, a true collectible item. The Jacques Marie Mage Last Frontier. Inspired by the American West and the untamed beauty of the Mojave Desert, this pair is more than just a set of eyewear. It's a tribute to the fearless pioneers who pushed boundaries and redefined frontiers, and still do today in this modern America. With Jacques Marie Mage's signature design and language and the impeccable build quality and bold presence, the Last Frontier Mojave is a true standout in the world of luxury eyewear. So buckle up, pour a glass, and look into this particular pair of eyewear with me as we break down the design, the fit, and whether it's worth adding to your particular collection. Jacques Marie Mage has always been known for blending heritage and modernity, and the Last Frontier Mojave exemplifies this perfectly. These sunglasses boast a beautiful, bold, square shape and a slightly rounded edge that gives it this panto style of look for me, almost like an aviator, creating such beautiful balance and versatility to its profile. The acetate frame is a substantial one, and that's what makes it special as it has these beautiful, intricate details. The temples come custom engraved with motifs reminiscent of Native American art and Western iconography. As an homage to the rugged beauty of the Mojave Desert, this signature gold plated arrowhead pins and silver laden arm embezzled with a beautiful outlay, adding an unmistakable flair to these pair of Jacques Marie Mage. This frame comes in several striking colorways, including a deep noir and a warm sandstone, both with a rich glossy finish that enhances the acetate's natural depth. The lenses are glass, mineral glass, offering excellent clarity and UV protection with a tint that evokes the hues of the darkened desert nights. When it comes to fit, the Last Frontier Mojave is designed for medium to large face shape. The bold frame is noticeable, but Jacques Marie Mage's precision engineering ensures it doesn't overwhelm the face. The acetate has a hefty feel, but it's balanced, giving the frame a luxurious, substantial presence on the face, but never really takes your face out of what your natural beauty is. So if you have an oval head or a round head or even a square-shaped chiseled chin, you look perfect in the actual substantial acetate of Jacques Marie Mage. And despite its bold design, comfort hasn't been sacrificed. The temples have a slight curve that helps the frame stay in place without feeling too tight. And the overall weight distribution is excellent. You'll appreciate these things if you're someone who likes to wear different types of frames every day. You'll feel confident, you'll feel like the large frame is beautiful and boastful, but still wants and shows a beautiful wearability. Performance-wise, the Last Frontier really excels. The lenses are not only beautiful optical glass, but they are one with a superior glare effectiveness. They are what makes me enjoy Jacques Marie Mage. They are industry leaders to me when it comes to the coverage of lens tint over the eye because of the shape and substantial, actually large profile of the frames. It makes them perfect for bright days. Whether you're in the heart of the city or on a road trip through the open landscapes of the American West like these are contributed to, you'll feel fine in these particular lenses. As for versatility, these sunglasses make a statement without being over the top. Pair them with a beautiful leather jacket or a suede jacket, as I do often, or a rugged mountain-esque Santa Fe style of dress with a sweater and a button up with a beautiful shearling jacket or coat. This is what I choose to wear with these, and I look very vintage inspired while also being contemporary and modern in my wear. The variety of styles that make me feel comfortable while wearing this are endless. I can wear these with a suit or I can wear it dressed up, so to speak. Jacques Marie Mage never skimps on its presentation. As the Last Frontier Mojave is no exception. The sunglass comes in a beautiful box with a leather case that is exemplary. Nothing I've had is more well crafted than the carrying case of the Jacques Marie Mage Last Frontier. It's a rich black tooled leather with a Western motif on it that just. I've asked people if they could actually buy the actual carrying case for me for upwards of $200. You will also find a beautiful microfiber cloth and a limited edition number card with this one. And also, the Last Frontier comes with its own chrome screwdriver set. So this one here is one that just, with every 200 pair, you know you're getting something exemplary in the presentation. The attention to details is just reinforced when it comes to Jacques Marie Mage's commitment, luxury, and exclusivity, turning what could be a routine unboxing experience into something lavish and luxury. When it comes to Jacques Marie Mage Last Frontier, talking price, the price of the Jacques Marie Mage Last Frontier line is its pinnacle of eyewear design, and they're asking upwards of $2,000. The Jacques Marie Mage Last Frontier, it is not cheap, but it is meant to be a luxury product. You're investing in a piece of craftsmanship, handmade in limited numbers, designed with artistry, precision, gold field, and silver field, and it is inspired by a rich cultural heritage. I would say that these are some of the best offerings that a silversmith can have when it comes to a temple arm and the luxury motif of the small jewels on the frame. So if you're someone who values bold design, impeccable quality, and the story behind what you wear, the Last Frontier is the best that you can get from Jacques Marie Mage. And I would say that with that ethos, it's worth every penny. It's a perfect blend of art and functionality, with enough versatility to be your go-to pair for years and years to come. Wraps up today's review on the Jacques Marie Mage Last Frontier Mojave sunglass. What do you think? Are these bold frames your style, or do you prefer something more understated? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, I should say, for more luxury fashion accessories, scents, cigars, and wine. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.